Good evening, everybody, and another one's arrived. Here we go. It's been a while since I've done a last video. Lots of things have been taking priority, but this arrived the other week, and yeah, I haven't even played with it yet. Anyway, so let's open and have a look, see what's going on. Just a generic box. What's it say on there? It says TSSD model UV-8000D. TSSD, I'm not familiar with this brand. Anyway, let's open it up and have a look. So, we have user manual. Seems to be in English, and yeah, seems to all be in English. Interesting. Okay, it's not often you get one with just all in English. Oh, look at that colour. Yes, I did deliberately order that colour. So let's go back to that in a minute. So what do you get with it? You get the charging cable, as expected. You get it's a little headset and microphone. You get the, what's this? That's a USB. Oh, okay. You get a USB-C cable. Oh, interesting. You get the usual belt clip, and looks like the lanyard's in there as well. And the, oh, there's the antenna. It actually tells you on this time. Nice to let me know this is the antenna. And there's a charging docking station. Okay, and that must be the battery. Anything else in here? No, nothing else in here, so let's get that over there. Right, so we got the battery. So it's a TSSD again, UV-8000D. It's a 3800 milliamps, 7.4 volts. Okay. So let's have a look at this radio. Okay. So again, TSSD. See if I can focus that a bit better. TSSD UV-8000D. 12 watts. Looks to be tri-band. Okay. What have we got here? So we got small little buttons. We have 1, 2 function buttons of some type, and the PTT. And what have we got in here? It's probably just the standard K connector. Okay, it doesn't want to come off. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's standard K connector. Oh, okay. So we have, it's like a channel rotary knob there. Power, volume. Okay, so let's get this plugged in. So this doesn't seem to be a Baofeng for a change. So let's have a look. Oh, let's have a look at that battery again. There we go. That must be for the USB-C charging. Okay, let's see if we can work out how to get this plugged in. Guessing it goes like no. What's that? Oh, that pushes down. Right. So does that slide up? Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's just clicked in place. It's quite a fat little thing. Anyway, I want to body shame it, or whatever it is he's called these days. So, let's get the antenna plugged in. This tenor is quite tough, quite sturdy. It's not as flexible as some of the other ones I've been getting. Okay, let's turn it on.
Welcome.
Oh, that's a nice welcome compared to some of the welcomes, which you don't really understand what they're saying.
Welcome.
Okay, so what have we got here? Not too sure if that light is going to cause a problem, so let's turn this off while we're going to look at this screen here. Ah, that's better. Right, okay. So, got the, let's turn that back on again. Okay, so, right, let's have a look at the menu. Right, menu.
Menu.
So we've got the Roger, backlight, the power save, transmission power, SQL, beep, wide I'm guessing that is, steps. Okay, so it's the usual stuff in here. Nothing untoward there. Right, you've got a mic gain here. And also you can change the mic input. Out menu. What is out menu? Oh, maybe that's when it closes the menu. Box worn? What's that? Okay. So yeah, that looks like there's different. Yeah, there's different terms the way they have these options here. What's this? Okay, we got a push to. Oh, that's the that's these two buttons here. So you have the option for not do anything, scan, radio, warn or tone or weather. Okay, so it must have nowhere on here. What else is there? Oh, there's the long press. There's a monitor, scan, nothing, radio, warn. Okay. Next one is a short 2. Probably the same options again. Yes, it is. Long press. Same options again. You just obviously can have them different. Okay. Transmission delay. Okay, that's milliseconds. Transmission code. Not sure what that is. I don't think it's CTCSS. Backlight. Continuous, then 10, 20 or 30 seconds. Power save on or off. TX power high and low. Squelch, okay. Beep, let's turn that off.
Confirm.
That's better. So this must be wide and narrow, yes. The steps, okay. Okay, so this is this is the my new radio. What's that gonna do? Doesn't seem to do anything yet because I haven't programmed it. Let's try the top button. FM radio. Monitor. Let's push and hold. Oh. God damn it, I hate them blooming alarms.
Welcome.
Right, okay, so here we go. It's the TSSD UV-8000D. So, a nice bright colour. Obviously some of you guys won't like it, but I picked the brightest one out of the options I was given at the time. So the next video will obviously be on how to program it, and subsequently after that one will be the wattage check. I want to apologise for the other radio. I haven't got round to doing the programming of my UV-80, I believe it was. See, it's been that long I've even forgotten about it. So I'll be getting on to programming on that and the wattage tests as well on that one. So anyway, there you go, the TSSD 8000D. Have a good night, everybody. 7 threes.